Hey, I'm not trying to take this camera. Me and the kids had some cupcakes. This one didn't come on a cupcake. That was Beauty Supply special, but to laugh, to learn, to love. We here, baby. I'm glad are you, my cousin, baby, my associate, maybe. I see you at the mall. Hey, B-I-B, here. Welcome. I just want to talk to you guys today about the 6 fears of human beings. There are 6 fears of human beings. I'm going to link the card where I got the information from. Really good guy, very informative. Just click on the eye to be in this corner or this corner. I'm learning how to add cards, so I'm kind of digging it. This is an informational channel, but we also laugh, we also love, and we got to learn because there's so much going on in the U.S. of A, as they call it, and we need to know what's going on in the AM, right, America? We got to know what's going on in the AM. So, it's your ghetto news reporter. I ain't took no journalism classes, but I know about information, quality information. If you want to see one of my videos about where to get credible sources, you can do that too. I'm rambling. Six human fears. The fear of criticism. Somebody talking about me. They say I ain't do this right. Take criticism if it's constructive, if it's from someone who you want to be like or you aspire to be like or who have more than you or who doing more than you. I put my T's and my T's and my H's all kind of places. Fear of criticism. Don't be afraid if somebody's trying to help you and telling you the right thing to do. Okay. Fear of sickness or illness. We all scared of getting sick. We all hate being sick, of course. Fear of aging. In America, we just value youth, and the elders know best. In other cultures, they respect their elders, and they like to age and age gracefully. Everybody want to be young and chaotic and whatever they're doing. Our youth is out there protesting right now. We want them to be safe and calm and cautious and collective and think about what they're doing before they do it. But we do know that it's a necessity. These children don't know about racism. They just know about sex, drugs, rap music, rock and roll, tennis shoes, tablets, all the technology. Anyway, I'm rambling. The fear of losing love or losing someone you love. The fear of somebody leaving and not being there. The fear of them not saying, hey, I care, or I don't care. I'm there, but I don't care. Or whatever that may be. Or love can be sex. Love can be gifts. Love can be all kind of things. Saying what I want to say when I want you to say it. That can be love too. So, the fear of poverty. I'm not scared of that because I'm doing that right now. But some people are terrified of being broke and will do anything for the love of money. Money is not a sin. Having money is not a sin. It's the love. I love it. I love it. I need it. I need it. I like it. I like it. I don't like it like that. I just understand because I'm broke. The fear of death. That's our final one. Of course, everybody is scared of dying. And the number one fear of dying is scared that nobody will know your message or know you or remember you. But we love you here. We'll remember you for your kindness and your jokes, even though they corny. But we love your jokes, your wittiness, your offbeat sense of humors. Yeah, my kid, I got 64. Just, I guess, just 1, 2, 3. This is just 3 of them. The other one gave me one, but I ain't pick it up off the floor. I was cleaning up this morning, so the fear of death, the fear of white people, the fear of black people. I would add that because y'all scared us. We are petrified of you guys too. So except we just shit in our pants and get beaten, die. Or sometimes we just shit in our, or we talk about it for like 2 weeks. Like, oh, let me tell you, this cop pulled me over. It was 50,000 people over there committing crimes, and they pulled me over, and I was doing the right thing. So we scared of y'all too, so welcome to America. Mwah, mwah. We love you too. The American way. Make sure you treat somebody bad today. Or just let me stop. But it's like we build people up to take them down. It's in the media all the time. Oh, we love them. We love them. Oh, praises. And then we tear them down. So I was thinking, how about we value our community, value people in our community? Like, I see pages where, like, oh, Jaheim is looking bad now. He's like 50, 60 years old. That was 20 years ago. Stop watching videos. Look at the date of the videos. Y'all talking about people looking bad. Them people be like 18, 20, 30. Now they like 60. No, they've aged. That's what time do. So if you keep living, you will keep aging. But if you want to be young, whatever, I don't know, the 27 year is the best year of people's life. I don't know, but I'm feeling this dirty 30, baby, honey. So call me crazy. I love you, though. Look at her. Look at her. To laugh, to love, to learn. Deuces. Subscribe, link, like, watch. Whatever you want to do, I'm here for you, your Ghetto News crew. Loving on y'all. Mwah. Success.